I wanted to tell you something.
I was hoping you'd say that because I feel the same.
We gave AI the power to create, but we never gave it direction. What if you could enter your image? Not one idea, 16 realities. Same scene, but different story engine. This isn't AI video, this is AI filmmaking.
This ends tonight.
Multi-character
All systems are ready.
Then let them come.
All these features in one unified workflow in Cinema Studio 2.0 by Higgsfield. Let's look into Cinema Studio 2.0. We have different cameras, lenses, aperture, and focal length. This is the video. We can add an element. Grid option is also there in the images. Let's choose the speed ramp, the timing, genre. We're going to go with action genre. Let's give it the prompt and let's generate. You can also create 3D scenes. I have created a 3D scene and you have different movement options here. You can navigate inside the picture and choose the angle that you want to focus on. You have pan movement, you have lens, zoom, move, speed, up and down, roll, lens, and aspect ratio. All these options are available when you're navigating through the picture. Here we're changing the focal length. Now let's explore the element option. We are going to give it the prompt and add in the element that we want to add in our picture and let's generate. This is the result. Isn't that amazing? It's so cool. Let's test the multi-character input now and let's see how the characters interact with each other. Image 1, still loading. Image 2, let's add another image.
This ends tonight.
All systems are ready.
Multi-character interaction was amazing. Let's move forward now. This is multi-shot. I'm going to copy each prompt from ChatGPT. Now this is shot number 3 that we are going to add in there. We're going to keep it linear. Multiple shots, no timeline, just direction. Let's generate. Let's look at their packages. They have Ultimate Monthly and Creator Annual. Creator Annual is only $119. Let's check the monthly prices as well. Creator Plan is $149. You can also compare the packages.